So here is my little couch. I cannot wait to have them in my little right there, my little office. So I'm going to share it to you. Here you go. That is my little couch. Yeah. I can't wait. Happy, can you please assemble it now so I can see it? It's free. Yahoo! Looks like it's easy. For you, not for me. It's already pre-assembled. You just, need to lift up like this thing here. Guys, it's easy, but I will let my hubby do it because, I don't know how to do it. And as you would know, I am a princess. What? Let me see. That's cool. A little secret storage. You can put your secret stuff there. Look at that, guys. That's pretty easy. Not for me, of course. Here you go. Hubby is doing these things for me. So that's it. And then basically daddy is going to assemble the legs for my couch, and after that, voila! So daddy is doing all the work. I love you, babes. That's very easy to follow, assembling the couch. But actually the couch is already assembled. It's just the leg that we need to. Yes, master. So my hubby is asking me to clear. You see what mess I have there? That one. Okay, so we are trying to get rid of this thing. And I'm going to remove the stuff right there and then replace it with this one. Okay, I can't wait to see the outcome. Yay! Basically, it comes with this assembly instruction, guys. Ayan, it's very easy to follow. It's 1, 2, 3. Ayan. So we just actually assemble this 4-piece. My hubby said we. Okay, you. So 4 pieces ng stand niya, and then that's the screw, and then yan din yung tools na ginamit para mag-screw. So it will end up like this one, guys, and then you lift up that back chair. So yeah, pretty much easy. And my hubby is right there, he's mounting the feet, and it's almost finished. So I already clear my things there. That one will be moved somewhere. We're still trying to work on that because I don't really use that thing. And I'm just so excited to have this on in that corner, so I will have a little space of my own. Yes, and that's my desk, my working station, and my bookshelf over there. Right, so now it's done. We're going to flip over the chair and we will see how it looks like. So will you go ahead or need my help? But looks like my hubby is a very strong man, and yeah, so there we go. Seems like, yeah, I will fit in there. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little, me going to sit over there. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. I feel so good. And that's it. Yay, I'm just so excited. So now I'm going to arrange my stuff here. I can't wait. No, 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 no. This is so lovely, lovely, lovely. Thank you, babes. So, yep, that's about it, guys. And this is my little couch where I can rest after, working, sitting down. But actually I don't sit whole day. Sometimes I just stand up, while working. And yeah, so now I can relax. I can do my work here as well. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. And please subscribe. Bye. Love you all.